Welcome everyone to a brand new travel adventure. Today we are at the beautiful Allegheny National Forest and we're going to take a look at the Kinzua Dam. Absolutely picture perfect day today, guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's travel adventure. It's a beautiful Memorial Day, that's for sure. Great day to get outside and do some hiking. Alrighty everyone, so this sign says that the Kinzua Dam / Allegheny Reservoir is 24 miles long, has 91 miles of shoreline, and a maximum depth of 130 feet. Numerous recreational activities are available at various sites as shown on the map to the left. Fishing in the reservoir and downstream tailwaters is known nationwide. Kinzua is a Seneca Indian term which means place of many big fishes. This has been proven true throughout the year with spectacular results. Trophy walleye, trout, bass, catfish, and northern pike are not uncommon in these waters. The length of the Kinzua Dam is just over 1,800 feet long, as well as 179 feet tall. The dam was authorized by the Flood Control Acts of 1936 through 1941. Actual construction was begun by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers in 1960 and completed in 1965. The main purpose of the dam is flood control on the Allegheny and Ohio rivers. This dam controls drainage, a watershed over 2,000 square miles, or the area twice the size of the state of Rhode Island. Side benefits derived from the dam include drought control, hydroelectric power production, as well as recreation. The total cost of the construction was approximately $108 million. Kinzua more than paid for itself in 1972 when the tropical storm Agnes dumped continual heavy rains on the watershed, bringing the reservoir to within 3 feet of its maximum storage capacity. Over $247 million in downstream damages were prevented due to the Kinzua Dam. Alright guys, looks like there's another trail over here called the Smorgasbord Forest Trail. By the way, another thing that's worth mentioning that's really beautiful as you're walking along this Kinzua Dam trail is that there's various waterfalls along the road, which just really makes it picturesque. Look at that. Peaceful little waterfall. Alrighty everyone, our next stop is Kinzua Point. Okay everyone, so as we're traveling through the Allegheny National Forest, we just came over here from the Kinzua Dam, and now we're traveling along Kinzua Road, as you can see, all the way up here. And we actually just came to the point which is called Kinzua Point. So just in case you're following along, that's where we travel to next. Looks like the terrain is changing a little bit over here. Alrighty everyone, our next Allegheny National Forest location is Jake's Rocks. Alright, as these might be the rocks we're looking for. Here we go, we made it. Alrighty everyone, I hope you enjoyed Jake's Rocks Overlook. Now we're on to the next Allegheny National Forest location. Alrighty everyone, we have made it to our next location, which is the beautiful Kinzua Beach. As you guys can see, this water is super clear too. You can see basically all the way to the bottom. I would say it's about 65 degrees or so too. It's really a nice day today for Memorial Day. Alrighty everyone, welcome to the Rim Rock Hiking Trail. Yeah, as you can see guys, there's some turkey signs, it looks like, as well as bear sightings, so we gotta be careful here. This 1.3 mile trail offers a scenic 1 to 1.5 hour hike between Kinzua Beach and Rim Rock Overlook. The majority of the trail is level to gradual elevation change. Sections nearing the Rim Rock Overlook become moderate to steep. From the Overlook, hikers are awarded outstanding views of the Allegheny Reservoir and the surrounding hillsides. Hikers may also explore the area's giant sandstone boulders, crevices, and rock outcrops. If you encounter wildlife like a bear, deer, grouse, or turkey, please use respect and view them from a safe distance. The skill level of this trail is easy to moderate. We encourage you to hike with at least one other person and to leave your itinerary with friends or family to help locate you if you do not return on time or need assistance. This trail is open for winter hiking. Remember to dress in layers appropriate for weather conditions. Alrighty guys, so we just came from that direction all the way at the top of this rock surface, as you can see, a little bit high up there. And now we're going to continue down over in this direction along the rock surfaces and cliffs, which is really cool. Wow, look at this. Oh, it's noticeably cooler over here. You notice this? Look at this. This part reminds me of the Cuyahoga Ledges Trail a little bit.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
It does.
Although this scenery is gorgeous. Look how the trees are just growing everywhere, and look at that. Look at those trees just curve right over the area, and that's nice. Definitely one of my favorite hikes. Alrighty guys, although the trail is a lot longer, we had to cut it short today. But it was an absolutely gorgeous time, and I highly recommend a visit to the Allegheny National Forest. Alrighty everyone, thank you so much for watching today's travel adventure to Allegheny National Forest, and stay tuned for more travel adventures coming soon.